Hey everybody, Forrest here, ripping 22-23 Prizm Premier League Choice, 10 box number 6, random team style. Find the results on your screen anytime at LaytonSportsCards.com. Let's go ahead and get started. One sec. All right, so this is the last break of the night, everybody. Kyle still live on Drip for personals for right now. I'm not sure how much longer he'll be going, so if you want a personal, that's the place to be right now. Here we go. Come on, Nebula time. James Justin with a Danny Welbeck auto for Brighton. Choice auto. A multicolor. Alexi McAllister for Brighton. Leeds, Brendan Aronson. And Tiger Stripe of Darwin Nunez, Liverpool. Nice Darwin. There you go, Felix. Silver, Damsgaard, Nunez. And Sinistera for Leeds. Nice box to start with. Let's see a monster auto in this break. Got Takure. Nice one here. Fulham. Choice auto, Bobby De Cordova Reed. Got multicolors, Liverpool, Virgil van Dijk. Aston Villa, Boubacar Kamara. And Tiger Stripe for Brighton is Tariq Lamptey. Silver, Bernardo Silva, Man City. Tomiyasu, Arsenal. And Everton rookie, Onana. McKenna base with a gold choice auto, Diego Carlos, Aston Villa, 9 of 10. Villa, Shang Fu, there you go. Diego Carlos. Multicolors of Jefferson Lerma for Bournemouth. Red rookie, Aribo, Southampton to 30. Red to 30. And a multicolor of Marcus Rashford. For Man U. Silver Ayu. Trippier for Newcastle. And Nunes, rookie Spurs. Got Kenny Titi. Nathan Phillips on the choice auto, Liverpool. Come on now. Hey, there you go, Chelsea. Red, Mason Mount to 30. Low numbered Mount. Michael MC. Multicolor Pulisic for Chelsea. Vardy for Leicester City. Silver Fofana. Chilwell. Matty Cash. Nebula. Come on. Neil. Oh, there's a cool one. Nottingham Forest choice auto, Steve Hodge. There you go. Rookie, Crystal Palace on the red, blue, purple, Michael Ebiowe to 15. 10-15 Ebiowe, rookie. Nice card, Jeremy Y, Crystal Palace. Liverpool, multicolor, Luis Diaz. Who was it? Who was it, Vaughn? Yohan Wissa for Brentford. Silvers of Areola West Ham. Alexander Arnold Liverpool. And Lerma for Bournemouth. All right, 5 more. Lunga base. That's a cool one. Spurs, flashback auto, Jan Vertonghen. Man U with the red choice of Christian Eriksen, 3 of 30. Multicolor, Odegaard, Arsenal. Calvin Phillips, Man City. Saeed Benrahma, Almiron, and Max Kilman. Oh, Jensen did it? Oh, that stinks. Julian Alvarez, rookie. Maybe his last save was number 400, Bond. Maybe that was it. Redemption here. Reece James. Signatures, Prizm Choice, Chelsea. I just want to make sure that's correct. Before I 100% write Chelsea on it. Cool. Yeah. I watch soccer. I pay attention to it, but I don't get to talk about it as much as other people. So Reece James is Chelsea. Got multicolors Zinchenko for Arsenal and a green. Ooh. Leicester City green. James Justin, 3 of 5. James Justin, green to 5, Leicester City. Another multicolor Michael Antonio for the Hammers. Pontus Jansson, Amartey rookie, silver for Leicester City, and a Tarkovsky, Everton. I think he had one earlier. He was like 8 for 9, Vaughn. Or like, he's like 9 for 10. He had one really early on, I think. I don't think he was perfect, though. Jacob Ramsey. Everton auto, Jordan Pickford. LaytonSportsCards has an Instagram page, yeah. Multicolor Kieran Trippier for Newcastle. Red to... oh, no, not red. That is an Ebioe again. 9 of 15. Red, blue, purple. Rookie for Crystal Palace. 2 of these now. Multicolor Niskins Cabano Fulham. Silver Issa Diop. Guimaraes rookie Newcastle. And Salisu Southampton. Yeah, the red, blue, purple to 15. I think those are pretty cool too. I like the greens a lot. We need to see a Nebula though. That's what we need to see. Pontus Jansson on the choice auto for Brentford. 3 of the multicolors here. You got Almiron, Newcastle, Eric Dier, Spurs, and Eriksen, Man U. Silver, De Gea, Man U, Luis Diaz, Liverpool, and Lloyd Kelly, Bournemouth. Tomiyasu, Everton auto, Connor Cody. Choice auto, Connor Cody. Another red Hendo for Liverpool. This time 17 of 30. It's the third one of those in the break. Collation got a few parallels. The same thing here. A lot of duplicates. TAA, Liverpool tricolor. Bobby De Cordova Reed, Fulham. And silvers of Varane. Bobby Clark, Liverpool rookie. And Aribo, Southampton rookie. And that is going to do it. Thanks again, everybody.